later. I like this. The same.
Kitchen is open.
Yes.
Got built-in pantry.
Ah, it's almost the same size as what I got. That's what I like.
Got lots of space.
Okay. Yeah, and I have to remember, yeah, just me. So,
Right.
yeah, this is more
Lots
than
of cabinet space.
more than enough. And it's soft clothes is what it feels
Uh-huh.
like they are. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, soft clothes. Okay. All right. Okay, dishwasher. Okay. Same refrigerator.
Right.
Literally the same one in my house. Okay. Now this is where, yeah, changing of furniture would make a difference.
You have a lot of furniture.
I have a sectional that probably end up having to block the door, come to the corner, come out.
Mm.
I have a lot because I have such a big
From a
house.
house, yes.
Yeah,
So that's understandable.
yeah. This is cute, but this would be considered just a
Yes.
guess. Okay, which would be fine. It's enough room to put my desk in here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my biggest concern is work. Oh, oh, it's another door. Oh, okay. Oh, you get to put. Ooh, I like that. Built in. This is cute. Ooh, with the big closet. Okay. So you come back through here. I love the closet.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's closet right here. We'll take a walk through
Okay. Oh, it's stacked up. Okay.
that.
Well, I see why you said yeah. It already comes with it.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Okay. Okay. Well, this would fit my bed. This is a king.
Correct.
Okay. That's all that would get in here, though. It would be the bed. Yeah. Oh, yes. Shower. Beautiful. That's beautifully done. It's beautiful. Okay. That's nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah, so it would definitely, so it was just, okay. Oh yeah, Pepsi's, yes, favorite. Okay,